UK, there is a change on the way. Not just yet. Yesterday I hinted that for the rest of the week we're going to see these Atlantic belts of cloud and rain affecting primarily western parts of the UK. That's why the arrow's draped across the west. But there is that change on the way a little bit later on in the weekend, and as we head towards next week, what we're actually going to find is this cold continental air. Come on, get the graphics moving. Cold continental air starts to spill in across the UK, and we're going to finally see things cooling off as we head through the week. Here it is, finally, that cold continental air reaches the UK. So this is next week, and it blasts away all of that cloud and rain out into the Atlantic. And we're going to feel the cold in the form of a cold easterly wind. Now, how cold exactly it's going to get compared to last cold snaps, well, we're still a little bit uncertain. But for this afternoon, it's fairly cloudy out there. We've had a bit of rain around across the southeast of the country, and it looks as though it'll stay damp across the southeast, but the further west we go, much brighter conditions for us across Cornwall, Devon, and across Wales. And I would say make the most of this sunshine here today. The weather will be a little bit more different tomorrow, and then beyond that, it's downhill across this part of the world. Now, as far as Northern Ireland is concerned, if you're stepping out this afternoon, again, there'll be a bit of sunshine around 6 or 7 on the thermometer. And across Scotland, not a bad day. Just like yesterday, the best of the weather will be across the northeast of Scotland. Further westwards, we'll have some showers around, say, for example, in Stornoway. Across the border into England, the weather's set fair here for the rest of the afternoon as well. And the same goes for most of the North Midlands and into Lincolnshire as well. Now, tonight, cloudy, damp, murky conditions for most of us. Bit of drizzle here and there. With the layer of cloud, that means the temperatures won't be dropping off too low, around about, say, 1 to 4 degrees or so, 0 degrees across Scotland, so there will be a frost here. And then from tomorrow morning onwards in the west, the weather will deteriorate. We'll see increasing amounts of cloud, outbreaks of rain, and some strong winds, gale force winds around some of the coasts. But you'll notice that across the Midlands and eastern parts of the UK tomorrow, actually, the sun will be shining. And a very similar picture for the end of the working week. Again, we have a rain band. Remember that Atlantic cloud and rain draped across the west of the UK with gale force winds as well. In fact, a severe gale may be blowing through the Irish Sea. But as far as the east of the country is concerned, we're going to see some sunshine. So here's a quick look at what we're going to see for the weekend. It looks as though at the western